Hi guys! For today's video, samahan nyo kami sa Mama Prime located at SM Podium Mall here in Ortigas. So we book a reservation beforehand to accommodate our seats. And by the way, this is a dinner reservation. Ayan na po, nauna na po yung isang apo. Nagkayayaan na naman po yung mga apo. Ewan ko ba, pag nag-RTO, ang gastos-gastos. So yun, nagkagulatan kami bakit ganun yung presyo ng menu. So we have first the complimentary bread. Mas masarap yung color brown. So next we're having the Pasandrada Bolognese, and we have here the steak red rice, sobrang sarap. We have here the dry aged and the bestseller Lorenzo truffle cream pasta. Also we tried the bacon steak, sobrang liit. Masarap naman siya. So we have order kalahati is medium rare, and then the other side is medium. So try lang. So mas bet ko yung medium rare. Mas malambot siya. And yung Lorenzo, yun as itself bestseller, ang sarap niya. So sobrang juicy and tender yung nung steak, and mas masarap siya if lalagyan mo siya ng table salt na pinaprovide nila. Wag lang masyadong marami. And try nyo rin lagyan ng chili flakes yung pasta. Medyo masarap. I don't know why we have the cream spinach, pero lasang laing. So ayan, mas gusto ko yung truffle cream pasta kaysa dun sa bolognese. So ito, sobrang sarap na itong dark chocolate Sancerval nila. Hindi kayo magsisisi. So ayan na nga po yung bill. Nagkakaturuan na sino muna magpapaluwal. So bill reveal na lang sa dulo. Salamat for watching. See you next time.